Yay! It's Easter time, and you know what that means? We will be making a super cute and show-stopping Easter bunny cake. Alright then, let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Dania
And Maggie.
and welcome back to Doki Cakes. To make our cute little Easter bunny, first we're gonna create the little ears. So I rolled out some white fondant and used a lily petal cutter and cut out 2 ears. I rolled it out a bit more and I used a ball tool to mark the middle indentation of the ears. Carefully insert cake pop stick into each ear.
Ta-da!
And paint the ears with edible pink paint.
Ta-da!
Now we're gonna move on with our cake. I baked a 6-inch dome cake, and now you're going to add a crumb coat to your cake. A crumb coat is a thin layer.
Hey, Mommy. I believe that was my line.
Maggie?
Okay, guys, so a crumb coat is a thin layer of buttercream that locks in all the cake crumbs. Smooth the buttercream with a circle smoother and chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes. It's time for a second layer of buttercream, right, Mommy?
That's right, Maggie. We're going to add our second layer of buttercream, and then you're gonna smooth it out with your circle smoother and chill it back in the fridge for 20 minutes. While your cake is chilling in the fridge, we're going to make all the fondant details.
Yay! Let's make the cute face!
For her paws, I rolled out 2 white balls of fondant into fat pill shapes. With this cake tool, you will make 2 indentions on each piece.
And here are your paws.
For her muzzle, squeeze 2 white fondant balls and then squeeze a ball of pink fondant for her nose. For her eyes, roll out a thin teardrop shape, shape the wink, and then cut off the excess in an angle. And then repeat. Now we will need 2 green blossoms for the leaves, and I use this blossom embosser to give the flower some depth. Add a small ball of yellow fondant on the blossom and cut heart shapes and pinch in the middle to form the leaves. Time for the fun part, which is time to decorate our cake. Yay!
Yay! Mommy, I want to say the next steps. Okay, so start by attaching the cute paws. You're going to add a toothpick right in the middle so it will hold the muzzle in place. Next, the eyes, and of course some pink cheeks, eyebrows, oh, and I really like what you did here, Mommy, with the ball tool. You're going to make a little hole to make the mouth and add a small pink fondant piece inside. Carefully insert the ears and finish off by adding your blossom and leaves.
And voila, we are done with our Easter bunny cake, guys. It turned out so adorable, extremely chubby and cute. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun, right, Maggie?
I had a lot of fun helping out my mommy. I hope you did too. Please show your support by liking,